Hey guys, this is Addison with the Swear Car Company. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to set your seats on the 2021 Volkswagen Id.4. Let's get right to it. Alright, so as we go to the car right here and we open it up, you can see these little buttons, right? It says set, and then you got 1, 2, and then you got the massageable seats, which we actually have done a video on it. Phenomenal, love them. But what you do is you actually use these little tiny positioning buttons or levers, and you can position it to wherever you need to. So let's just say I am a super short person, and we keep going, and we keep going, and we keep going, and we nailed it. And then we put the seat all the way up. Let's just say I'm like super duper short. And so what you do is you press set, and you press 1 or 2, so let's just press 2, and you'll hear a little bit of a beep. So now what you do is if you want to go to the short one, so let's go to 2, you just press that button and it'll do it all on its own. As we can see, the seat is going into the position that we set it at. All right, so I hope you guys liked that quick tutorial. It is actually super easy to use, probably the easiest way of setting seats that I've ever seen on a car. Absolutely phenomenal. But we hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial and want to see you guys in the next one. See ya.